Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install PeaZip. PeaZip is open source archiver with built-in encryption support. So how you can simply download it, you have to open any of your favorite browser and then you have to come over into the search option and you can simply search for PeaZip and click on PeaZip download. And over here, you can simply get PeaZip.com. So if you click on that, and if you scroll down a little bit, if you didn't find any of downloading option, you can simply go for source first. So if you simply go for that, click on the download option and it will download. Your download will start shortly. You're going to get download option, click on the download. After completed download, you can simply click on the folder icon and here is your PZip. So you can simply uh, move it to the download folder, and if you can simply click on it 2 times to install, click yes, and simply minimize all the background tab and click on accept the agreement, click next, and click on standard installations, click next, next, and install. After complete installations, you can simply click on the finish and simply open it. That's it. And you can simply see that the file manager is looking very much better than the actual file manager over here. So yeah, this is how you can simply do that. You have security encrypted, so it's a very useful app. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the videos. Till then, goodbye.